Turkish engineering company Titra is building the country's first unmanned helicopter. The Turkish government supports this program and includes it in the list of regional priority investments that will be co-financed by the government. Titra said it will produce 10 unmanned helicopters named after Alpin annually, in addition to the manufacture of 250 kamikaze drones per year. It is said that the Turkish government will be the first buyer of this helicopter if it successfully passes field trials. The government will become a buyer after successful field trials, hoping that, once combat-proven, the system will be exported to friendly countries, a procurement official was quoted as saying by Defense News. The Alpin helicopter drone has a length of 7 meters, a width of 1.5 meters, a height of 2.35 meters, and a rotor diameter of 6.28 meters. This helicopter with an empty weight of 340 kilograms can be easily transported in a vehicle. The helicopter can carry a maximum payload of 200 kilograms including fuel. With its long flight capability, the company says this helicopter can be used for military and civilian purposes, including for rescue missions. Alpin's helicopter drone design is based on the Italian manned ultralight helicopter, the CH-7. Alpin's development began in 2019 when Titra signed a deal with UAVOS, a US-based drone specialist. Under the deal, Titra and UAVOS will convert the CH-7 into a twin-wing unmanned helicopter. Alpin made its first flight in 2020. Alpin unmanned helicopters are equipped with broadband satellite communication channels that support operations in remote areas and transmit data in real time. Other features include a fully redundant onboard autopilot system, a fully autonomous takeoff and landing system, remote ground control network capability, auto-rotation landing capability, and high-efficiency flight control. Other high-precision payloads include hyperspectral, synthetic aperture radar, SAR, and electro-optical, infrared, EO/IR cameras. The Alpin is powered by a Rotax 914UL engine with a power output of 115 horsepower. Its maximum cruising speed is 160 km per hour. This drone has a maximum range of 840 km and can fly at an altitude of up to 5,000 meters. The maximum endurance is 7 hours, or 2 hours when fully charged.